We've covered how to use advanced filters, save searches, and organize lists to your advantage. However, what we do best is data, and this edge proves most useful when it integrates with your workflow. As a business and sales intelligence solution, Global Database connects to various platforms, constantly streaming data to integrated tools via API, a method we'll cover in a separate thread for advanced users and scenarios. For now, we'll explore export options for saved searches and lists within Global Database's prospecting platform. Right off the bat, let's go into how well the prospecting platform integrates with your CRM, for instance, with Salesforce. Your system administrator will select which integration, mapping, and export options you'll have access to, leaving you just a minor authorization process on the user account level, covered by your standard Salesforce.com self-sign-on mechanism. Essentially, you'll be asked to re-login into your account and authorize access to your CRM instance. Once you have filtered out desired prospects and saved your search, just click on the desired record and click Export to Salesforce. You will get a confirmation prompt with all the records to be pushed into the CRM instance. To confirm the action, click on the Export to CRM button, and an account with the respective contacts will be created in the CRM, with you as the record owner. The same workflow is available for all records, including those saved to specific lists. For instance, we can navigate to the Saved Companies tab and hover the merchants that used Apple Pay list. You'll notice the same CRM export method. Once clicked, a user will be prompted with the same confirmation pop-up, screening how much data is exported to the CRM and awaiting your confirmation. If a list holds too many records, just explore the advanced filtering options on the left, navigate to the Executive Criteria, select desired roles, go to the Only Select Contacts That section, and tick the Have a Direct Email Address, including Have a Direct Mobile checkboxes. Under the List Actions button, select Export to CRM and push these details to your CRM. If you need to analyze filtered data points by various criteria, you can export data to an Excel file. To do this, access the Export to XLS List option under the List Actions button. You will be able to choose desired data points, explore a summary, and preview the list model. To download your data, just hit on Download Lists to XLS. Depending on your data volume, both CRM pushes and XLS generations might take a while, but don't worry, as soon as either of these processes are done, we'll send you an email notification. Alternatively, just hit the Global Database icon, click on the Downloads tab, and observe both CRM migration and XLS file generation progress.